you on behalf of the entire development committee, on behalf of Max Wasserman, Mary Friedman, my wife, Mr. Ella, who are our esteemed development chairs, extend a really warm welcome to you, each and every one of you, for coming out and being here tonight. Under the circumstances, we all know Israel and all the things going on here in America and around the world, how difficult it is for us to attend events and sort of behave business as usual. That being said, we certainly deliberately moved this event, as you know, we usually have it in February, and we wanted to take the opportunity to gather now with the purpose to hear from an expert in the field of American Israel policy, Richard Goldberg, who I had a chance to briefly meet a few moments ago. Thank you, Richard, for being with us here tonight. We look forward to learning from you shortly. I can certainly say, as an academic on the university campus here in Chicago, the following from the bottom of my heart. Choosing Ida Crown Jewish Academy amidst the backdrop of a heightened anti-Semitism isn't just about education. It's about investing in the sanctuary where students not only thrive academically, but also can develop a profound sense of Jewish identity, resilience, and purpose. Our role as a Jewish day school becomes not only essential, but pivotal in shaping the future of our students. It's our duty to continue to provide Ida Crown Jewish education to those families who do not have the financial resources to do so without our very, very important support. So we deeply appreciate your steadfast and generous commitment. For those who already pledged your support this year, thank you. And for those who are yet to contribute, we'll anticipate support will be sincerely appreciated, and our team will be in touch with you to follow up. At this point, it's my pleasure to ask Rabbi Matanki to share a few words.